Welcome to Beautyistic. You know, finding a lipstick that truly delivers on comfort while offering a bold matte finish can feel like searching for a unicorn. Rare, but magical when you find it. Well, today, we're talking about something that promises just that. The Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Pique. Let's take a deep dive and see if it lives up to all the claims. The Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in Pique is a highly pigmented matte lipstick that comes in a striking cranberry shade. It boasts a sleek, liquid form that glides on effortlessly. Now, I know many of you are probably wondering, can this matte lipstick truly feel comfortable on the lips without that dreaded dry, cracked sensation? Let's break it down. The formula is designed with a balm-like texture that's supposed to offer a comfortable wear for hours. This means no more constant reapplications or flaky lips. Instead, it promises full, smooth, and well-defined lips that stay in place throughout the day. After testing this out myself, I have to say, it's surprisingly comfortable for a matte formula. It feels nourishing and smooth, almost like you're wearing a lip balm rather than a heavy lipstick. I could definitely feel that balm-like texture on my lips, and I was pleased that it didn't dry out by midday, even without a top-up. The cranberry hue is a rich, deep color, which is great for making a statement, but it's still soft enough for day-to-day wear, especially if you want that perfect everyday bold lip. However, like any product, there are a couple of things worth noting. The matte finish, while smooth and defined, isn't completely transfer-proof. It held up for a good amount of time, but if you're sipping on a drink or eating something greasy, you might see some fading around the center of the lips. For those who like to apply and forget, you might want to keep it in your bag for quick touch-ups. Now, let's talk about the price. Westman Atelier is a luxury brand, and the price tag reflects that. At around $58 for 0.31 ounce of product, this is on the higher end. So the big question, is it worth it? Well, if you're someone who values comfort, high-quality ingredients, and a luxurious experience when it comes to makeup, it might just be worth the investment. The texture is definitely unique, and the way it sits on the lips without flaking or drying is something I haven't found in many other matte lipsticks. For those of you who are more budget conscious, there are some alternatives out there that offer matte formulas with great comfort, like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, which is significantly more affordable and offers a similar long-lasting, full-coverage result. However, you won't get the same luxe experience or feel with those budget options. Now, about the build quality. Westman Atelier definitely delivers in this department. The packaging feels high-end, the lipstick is easy to apply, and the liquid formula is easy to control, which prevents any mess or smudging. The lipstick also has a faint, pleasant scent that isn't overpowering, which I always appreciate. If you have any questions about customer service or interactions with the brand, I haven't personally had to contact them for this product. But based on reviews of Westman Atelier's customer service reputation, they are known for being responsive and addressing issues with efficiency. All in all, I think this lipstick is a hit for those who want a comfortable, high-performance matte lipstick that still delivers on bold, rich pigment. If you're looking for a splurge that works beautifully and feels luxurious, the Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick in Pique is a fantastic choice. However, if you're someone who prefers a more budget-friendly option, there are definitely alternatives available that perform well too. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.